Let's try a bigger loop this time. Yeah, that worked. I think I've got a little bit too much elevator and a little too much expo. Yeah, but I'm getting closer. I'm getting closer. I'll adjust that before I launch it again. Looks like it has plenty of power. Another adjustment on the DeeRC Z65 future plane. So let's see how it reacts now. Got it in gyro mode. Launching. Throttling back. I took quite a bit of expo out of the elevator, as well as some of the dual rate, just to see. So far it seems a little more manageable. Still have a good roll rate. Bringing it back. Yeah, you know what I think? I think, you know, my first instinct was correct. I think that these little servos just are not quite up to the task with the additional weight. With the additional weight and the additional power. I just don't think that they're able to handle it. So after getting 2 test flights on it now, I think that, and this is my 3rd test flight, so I think that that's going to be what I need to do. I think that I need to put a little bit larger servos in this airframe. I just don't think that the stock ones have enough torque to react quick enough, and I think that's why it felt like, yeah, there it goes. It just stuck. One of the servos just stuck right there. Alright, so that's the plan. The plan is to replace the stock servos on it. So stay tuned for that. As soon as I can set time aside, I will go ahead and replace the stock servos in it. So anyway, that's where I'm at with this project so far. It is a very good airframe. I think it's going to be fantastic if I don't destroy it. Like I said before, if I don't destroy it before I get it complete and flying the way I like, I think this is going to be a fantastic little plane. If I can get that done, then I'll publish a conversion details on TinkerzLab for anyone that's interested in it, because it's a very, very inexpensive plane. And even with the components that I put in it to convert it to S brushless, it's still a pretty darn inexpensive plane. I will calculate exactly the total cost for the conversion, but remember, all those components you can always use in another project on down the road, so it's not like you're out of the money. So anyway, stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the TinkerzLab.